Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8 and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then go to keypad and enter a secret code which is *pound *pound 64663 ###. And as you can see now we are in test mode where you can locate very useful information and test for your device. So for example you can check version info, SIM detect, SD card, keypad and vibrate, LED test, touch panel, receiver, speaker and all the other very useful features. Just come along with them and test whichever you would like to, and if you have any issues then you can check it here. And let me show you for example speaker test.
8484.
So it passed. Then let's go for example to receiver. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear one too, so it passed. So this is it, this is how you can test your device. Just pick the test that you would like to perform and then smoothly use it. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can activate and use test mode in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.